Hey guys, Dodo here, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own videos. Well, I'm going to be making a computer tutorial, which is like a laptop PC tutorial. But maybe later I can do a mobile one. Where's my phone? So, yeah. First, let's get into it. So you see this? You see all these things down here? I know you can, because like, here, I'm gonna take my face cam aside. So you see like those things beside me right there? Those things are called sources. So for example, you see Roblox screen, which is more like up there. Try to point at it. Not moving the screen. Why am I moving the screen? Perfect. See like, now what? How do I do this? See like the one below me, Roblox screen? That's exactly, hold up. That's exactly, once I press on the Roblox screen, it gets the Roblox screen. So yeah, but what happens if I press on black screen? The button below me, the one that's highlighted in blue. The one that's highlighted in blue right there. If I press it, look at my face cam. Once I press it, you can see a black screen. I mean, that's what it's for. But then we go back to here. You see Roblox screen no face cam. Once I press it, it gets the Roblox screen without a face cam. My face cam's over here. And this is with the face cam. So now you guys see Chrome screen and Chrome screen no face cam. If I press on Chrome screen, it gives me a Chrome screen. Chrome screen no face cam. Chrome screen no face cam. Now you guys see full computer screen and full computer screen no face cam. If I press on full computer screen, it's full computer screen. It has the full computer. So if you go to desktop, it shows the desktop. No, it doesn't. If I go to the desktop, now it should. It doesn't show the desktop. Whatever. And you see the full computer screen no face cam? It removes my face cam, not as the expect. Now here's how I create them. What's wrong with the Roblox screen? Oh yeah, no, it's true. Yeah. Here's how I create them. Let's go. Where's my mouse? Okay, so there's a big problem right now. Hold up. My mouse was literally gone. But then it's back. Well, thank goodness it's back. Anyways, here's how I make my videos. So first of all, you have to go to OBS. And you'll find this website, OBS open.earth. Wait, where's the page? Well, that's weird. Why don't I have this full screen open? Yeah, that's better. You can search up OBS, download, I guess. Because when I usually downloaded it like before yesterday. Okay, there we go. Download OBS, this one. You press on it. Now you should get this screen. OBS, Open Broadcaster software, and all of that stuff. So you have to pick your download stuff. Pick your operating system. I'm Windows, so I pick Windows. So then, if you press on Mac, it gives you a different thing down here. I don't know what Linux is, but you go down here and just listen to the steps. I'm Windows, so I go on Windows. Then I press on download installer. It gets me that installer thing. So let me just open OBS. So it gets me like a weird OBS file. I just have to copy it. Hold up, I need to open full screen for this computer screen and home screen. Well, I don't think you guys even saw that, but we have Windows, Apple, Linux. You press on Windows, you get all of those. You press on MacBook, you get all of those. You press on Linux, you get all of those. I'm Windows, so I'm Windows. And then I press on download installer. Okay, guys, I'm back. So you pick Windows, you get those. You pick Apple, you get those. You pick Linux, you get those. So I'm Windows, so I'm gonna press on that. Then I press on download installer. I already downloaded it. So you go to, I wanna go to Chrome. Downloads. I will show us everything that we downloaded. There we go. OBS, Studio, Flow Installer, whatever. OBS dash studio. OBS dash speed video. OBS dash studio. OBS. OBS dash studio installer. So once you go there, you'll find the download down there. You just follow all of its steps. Then you'll find OBS straight ready for you. I don't want to do this anymore. So now, oh yeah, it will show you. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, you guys can see this. Welcome to OBS Studio. Blah 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 blah. Click next to continue. OBS Studio is already running. So yeah, just follow all of its steps, and yeah, that's it. Now once you're done with all of its steps, you're gonna find this type of screen. You're gonna find this screen. Well, you're gonna find a black screen. You're gonna find everything you see on screen is what you're gonna see, except for you're not gonna see the inception thing. You're just gonna see a black screen. So for example, you see my mouse, right? That mouse, when you point, you see, I don't know. Okay, so that mouse, once it hovers over here, it turns blue. Well, that area is supposed to be black for on your side. This is really long. So then, here's how you can add another one. So you see that plus button, you press on it. Then you call it whatever you want. Full computer. That's okay. Then, once you press on it, you'll find like a plus button. Press on the plus button. Then press on display capture. Then name it whatever you want, full computer, whatever. And and then I just want to make sure you guys have seen this. Okay, you are. Then press OK. Then yeah, it's going to do this and such a thing. Press OK, and yeah. So now you have a full screen. But what if you want to make a black screen? You just press on the plus logo. Then you name it whatever you want, black screen, whatever. Press OK. Then it's just gonna show you a black screen. So I don't want that here. Yes. So yeah, that's how it goes. So what if you want to do like Windows, like a specific app you want to show? Well, if that specific app is closed, well, it will just show a black screen. But if you open that app, it's gonna show the screen. Even if you have OBS open, it's still gonna show the Roblox screen for them. Man, this is really long. I'm losing my voice. Okay, so then you go ahead, hold up, full computer screen. Okay, you go ahead and press on the plus button, then you name it the app you want it to be. So for example, maybe, how about files, no, not files, how about how about like Roblox, it's Roblox. You guys cannot see any of this. I wonder why. So yeah, I created one. I pressed on the plus, then I pressed on Roblox. Once you go there, you're gonna find another plus. You won't be able to see those two. Those two will be nothing. You press on that plus, then you go to this. Then you go to window capture. Then you go to create new and call it Roblox. So there we go. Once you're done, you press on Roblox. Wait for it. Okay, 1 second, guys. It will work. It will work. Just 1 second. Don't do anything. Leave all the steps. Leave all the steps as it is. So then, yeah, you go to full computer screen. You'll find Roblox there, and then once you tap on it, it's gonna get the Roblox screen. What about Facecam? You might be asking me. You probably are asking it for yourself. First of all, I want to see if I deleted something important. So okay, so good. What if you want to put in a face cam? First of all, this is gonna be weird. You need to have a camera, you need to have a camera on top of your laptop, like save or cover one. You don't really need to get all of that epic stuff. You're just gonna find a camera. You're just gonna find a camera on top of your laptop. Here's how to add it though. Let me first delete that, because it's taking up a lot of storage. Alright. So here's how to add it. You see that plus button? You press on it. Then you press on video capture device. Then you just create one called Facecam. Call it Facecam or whatever, webcam. And then press OK. Don't add existing, don't do it. Just create new whatever, Facecam, whatever. Then you press on OK. And then it should get you this. Hold up, no, it won't get you this like that. I need to create a new one, whatever. It should be a black screen, don't worry about that, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna make it Chrome for now. So full computer screen, you see that plus button? You press on it. But video capture device. Hold up, no, full screen. Sure. So you see full screen, you press on, you're gonna find the F or whatever. You're gonna tap on it, then you're gonna press on plus. So once I tap on it, it's gonna get a black screen. Well, it's gonna get a black screen for you, but for me, I made it chrome. You're gonna find the plus button